In the shadowy world of cybercrime, refund scams beckon like digital sirens. Our cartoon detective peers into the labyrinth of deception, unraveling before him. Picture a phony transaction that leaves victims ensnared in a web of lies. The detective's magnifying glass highlights patterns like a red light in a hazy alley. Refund scams thrive on urgency, a trick designed to frazzle and bewilder. The scammer's silhouette lingers in the digital fog, a puppeteer pulling strings. Victims receive emails that mimic corporate giants, playing on trust like puppets. The detective follows digital breadcrumbs, each a potential breakthrough. Crafted illusions portray expired refunds. Hope bait for the unwary traveler. Our detective scrutinizes red flags fluttering like cyber banners in a storm. Convinced by authenticity, the trap closes when banking details are surrendered. The scammer's laughter echoes an invisible web spun effortlessly. A single click gives access, turning victims into unwitting accomplices overnight. The detective maps connections like constellations in cyberspace. As money vanishes, distress calls to banks become cries for vanished echoes. Our sleuth decrypts the language of scams, each word a ticking bomb. Victims find themselves trapped in a cycle of deception and despair. Our detective's shadowy counterpart stands with arms crossed, a silhouette of menace. Rising tension mounts as clues point to offshore accounts, a mishmash of trails. The detective's persistence is a lighthouse amidst a stormy cyber sea. Amidst confusion, a breakthrough. An email overlooked becomes the linchpin. The detective uncovers a string of connections like pearls in the digital abyss. Scammers exposed, their tactics understood. Battles fought in the pixels of justice. The detective steps forward from shadows, a hero in cartoon silhouette. This story ends, yet red flags flutter as reminders of vigilance needed. Our detective fades into the cyber mist, guarding the digital threshold.